we will be crafting our video lesson using the Kinemaster app. So what do we need? First, we need an Android phone with downloaded Kinemaster app from the Google Play Store. And later, I will be showing you how to download the Kinemaster app on your Android phone. And we will be using your Android phone for the final editing of our video lesson. We also need a PowerPoint presentation of your lesson. All of the slides of your PowerPoint presentation will be converted into image or pictures. And we also need the video of your actual teaching with green cloth used as background. So those are the things we need in order for us to do our video lesson. And now, let me show you how to download Kinemaster app from Google Play Store on your Android phone. First, you go to Google Play Store and search for the Kinemaster app. Once you have searched for the Kinemaster app, you click install and wait for the installation of the Kinemaster app on your Android phone. Let us now try to convert the slides of the PowerPoint presentation of your lesson into images or slides. So let us open the file or the PowerPoint presentation on your laptop or PC. So here is my sample PowerPoint presentation, and as you can see, I have 19 slides and I will be converting all these slides into images or pictures. If you are going to create a PowerPoint presentation intended for video lessons, there is no need for you to add animations or effects on every slides, because when you convert a slide into an image or a picture, lahat po ng animations or effects na nilagay natin on the slides, mawawala na po lahat yon at hindi na po siya makikita dun sa mismong video, kasi nga po, ang mga slides ay na-convert na into pictures. So now, how do we convert pictures or slides into images or pictures? You have to make sure that you select all the objects within that slide. So how will we do it? You press Ctrl A and then right click, save as picture. Or you right click, hold, drag, and make sure na nako-cover nyo po lahat ng parts or lahat ng objects na nasa slide, and then right click, save as picture. You may continue the process until doon sa last slide po natin. So on my third slide, I have right click, hold, drag, and then right click again, save as picture. And then right click, hold, drag, right click again, save as picture. Kung napapansin nyo po, meron po tayong space po on the lower left of your PowerPoint presentation. Inalat po talaga natin yung space na yan para po sa video na i-insert po natin when we edit the video lesson. So on my 8th slide, you right click, hold, drag, then right click again, save as picture. On my 10th slide, then right click, then save as picture. Then right click, hold, drag, and then right click again, save as picture. So, naka 12 slides na po tayo. So, konti na lang po. And also, make sure that you are saving all the images in one folder. Para po pag nilipat na po natin sila sa ating Android phone, mabilis po yung pag-transfer ng mga images. On my 16th slide, then right click, then save as picture, then save. On my 18th slide, right-click, hold, drag. So again po, no, make sure po na nako-cover po lahat ng objects na nasa slide po natin. Isang object lang po ang hindi makover or maselect. Pag sinave mo yung picture po, hindi po siya makikita dun sa mismong na-save na picture. And we're done. And so, let us locate the files. As you can see, these files are now saved. These slides are now saved into images and they are now ready to be transferred on your mobile phone or your Android phone. Now that I have transferred the video and the images in my Android phone, I think we are now good to go in our video lesson editing. So first po, i-click lang po natin yung Kinemaster app icon sa ating screen. Okay po, since this is a new project po, i-click lang po natin yung middle button na may plus sign. And then, we are going to choose the aspect ratio of the project. So, pipiliin po natin dito is yung landscape na 16:9. Nandito na po tayo ngayon sa storyboard po or sa main board po ng Kinemaster app. So, what are we going to do is to fill the storyboard po ng mga images na nilagay po natin kanina dito sa ating phone. So, isa-isa po natin ngayong i-upload yan. Make sure po na sunod-sunod po yung pagkakalagay po ng mga pictures based po doon sa PowerPoint presentation natin. Ngayon po, kung first time nyo pong gumawa ng video at nahihiya po kayo na ilagay po yung video natin, don't worry po, makakagawa pa rin naman po tayo ng video lesson without your video by adding a voice over. So, gagawin nyo lang po ay i-click nyo lang po yung voice icon po dito sa ilalim. And then, we may start doing the introduction of our lesson. Ngayon po, kung mahaba po yung introduction ninyo, pwede nyo pong i-adjust yung duration ng bawat slide po natin or bawat picture. Ayan po siya. Okay po. So, every now and then po, pwede po tayong maglagay ng voice over sa bawat picture po na nandito na i-discuss ninyo sa ating video lesson. Now po, kung gusto nyo pong i-edit yung video natin na may video po kayo or gusto nyo pong ilagay yung sinute nyo po na video, ang gagawin nyo lang po is to click po yung layer icon po natin on the left, and then you click media. Then hanapin po natin ngayon yung sinute nating video. Ayun po yung previous video na sinute ko po na may green background. Pero syempre po, ika-crop po muna natin yung video kasi po may mga nakalagay po dyan na hindi na po kailangan. May electric fan, may cortina. So ang gagawin po natin, ika-crop po natin yan. So select lang po tayo dito yung cropping, and then po ika-crop lang po natin kung hanggang saan nyo po siya gustong i-crop. Okay po. Okay. Ngayon po, tatanggalin na po natin ngayon yung background po na green. So, hahanapin nyo lang po ngayon yung chroma key. Ito po yung chroma key. Enable lang po natin. Ayan po siya. Ngayon po, kung napapansin nyo may mga shades of green pa rin, i-adjust na lang po natin ngayon yung ating image. So, titimplahin na lang po natin kung paano yung gusto nyo pong timpla mula po dito sa ating chroma key button po. Okay, good na po siguro to. And then, i-adjust po natin yung ating video at ilalagay po natin kung saan nyo po part ng video nyo siya ilagay. Pero dun sa previous PowerPoint na ginawa ko po, may nag-allot po ako ng space on the left side po ng PowerPoint ko. So dito ko po siya ilalagay at i-adjust ko na lang po siya. Okay po, nandun na po siya ngayon. And then, try po natin siyang i-play.
Welcome to another day of learning and fun. In today's video, we will be discussing the distance between 2 points. But before we proceed with our today...
So kung napapansin nyo po, lumipat po siya kaagad. I-adjust lang po natin yung duration po ng ating title page. Okay po. Try po natin.
The distance between 2 points. But before we proceed with our today's lesson, let me show you first the important landmarks that we always see in our community. The school, the church, the municipal hall.
Okay po. So, i-adjust pa rin po natin yung ating third na picture base po doon sa discussion po na ginagawa natin sa mismong video.
How far have you traveled from one landmark to another? If each of these landmarks is represented by points in a coordinate plane, is it possible to find the distance between each?
Po. So ngayon po, i-adjust po natin yung fourth picture po natin hanggang doon sa before ng activity, which is our fifth picture.
As we go through our first activity. And so, let's go. In our first activity, you are asked to find the distance.
Okay po, so again, mag-a-adjust na naman po tayo base po doon sa discussion po natin on your video. So madali na lang po yung pag-a-adjust po nito kasi po naririnig nyo naman po yung
Marks is a vertical distance. Just count the number of ones.
So, i-adjust po natin ulit.
Between the two landmarks is a vertical distance.
Ulitin po natin. Medyo napahaba po yung duration na nilagay natin.
Between the church and the school. Since the distance between the two landmarks is...
Okay po, i-adjust na po natin ngayon yung ating next picture hanggang doon po sa discussion po natin on the video.
Distance between the church and the school is 8 units.
po. So, natapos po doon. So, ibabalik po natin ngayon yan. And then, you proceed to the next activity.
In our second activity, you are asked to find the distance.
Okay po. So, adjust na naman po tayo. So, since cellphone lang po yung ginagamit natin, medyo hindi na po na tayo mahihirapang mag-edit.
In our second activity, you are asked to find the distance between the church and the municipal hall.
Okay po. So, adjust po tayo ulit.
Since the distance between the two landmarks is a horizontal distance.
Okay po, adjust na naman po tayo. So, ganyan lang po, paulit-ulit lang po yung ginagawa natin. Isinusunod lang po natin yung duration ng picture. Base po dun sa discussion, doon sa
The distance
video.
between the two landmarks is a horizontal distance. Just count the number of units from one point to another. And so,
Okay po, adjust po natin. Abahan natin ng konti.
So, the distance between the church and the municipal hall is...
Okay po, so, kulang pa rin po. Ayan na po siya. Tingnan po natin.
...is 10 units. But how do we solve distance between 2 points which...
Okay po. So, ibig sabihin po, i-adjust na natin. So, malapit na po tayong matapos. Napakadali lang pong gawin.
As illustrated in our...
Okay po, adjust po tayo. Masyado na pahaba.
As illustrated in our next activity, you are asked to find the distance.
Okay po. Adjust po tayo. So, tingnan po natin kung sumasakto na siya.
And the municipal hall. Well, this is the best time to use.
Okay po. Adjust po tayo ulit.
This is the best time to use the distance formula.
Okay po. So, adjust natin yan. Base po dun sa discussion po doon sa video.
The derivation of the distance formula for you to have a fuller understanding and a better applications of the distance formula in solving distance.
Okay po. Adjust po tayo. So, kapag mas mahaba po yung discussion ng particular slide po or particular picture, medyo habaan po natin yung
2
duration.
points. Let us call the 2 points.
Pahaba naman po siya.
Let us call the 2 points as P.
Okay po, habaan natin. Check po natin.
With coordinates x sub 1, y sub 1, and p sub 2 with coordinates x sub 2, y.
Okay po, kulang pa rin po.
X sub 2, y sub 2. We can run lines.
Okay po, adjust na po natin to. Base po sa, anticipate nyo na po kagad kung gaano po yung kahaba po yung discussion.
And along p sub 2 to form a right-angled triangle. Let us now label the sides of the right triangle. The vertical distance.
Okay po, adjust na po natin. Konti na lang po to. So, since makakapag-edit po tayo sa cellphone, pwede po natin itong gawin habang nakahiga po tayo. Hindi po natin kailangan na humarap sa computer while we do the final editing of our video lesson.
Shows the change in y. So let us denote that leg as y sub 2 minus y sub 1.
Okay po, i-adjust po natin ng konti. Ang next po, So, adjust na po natin kaagad to. Medyo mahaba po yung discussion ng next slide natin. So, check po natin.
The horizontal distance signifies the change in x. So let us denote that leg as x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And finally, let us...
Okay, so adjust na po natin. So, ganyan lang po yung pag-edit ng video.
Let us denote the hypotenuse of the triangle as d, which is actually the distance between 2 points. Using the Pythagorean theorem, we know that the hypotenuse...
Okay po, adjust na po natin. So, actually, nasa third to the last slide na po tayo.
Of the sum of the squares of the two other legs. From here, we can say...
Okay po, napahaba po siya. So, i-anticipate na po natin yung susunod na slide na medyo mahaba po yung discussion po niya. Balik po tayo dito.
Two other legs. From here, we can say that d is equal to the square root of the square of the quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 plus the square of the quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1. If the end
So, adjust na po natin.
sub 2 y sub 2, then the distance between 2 points can be determined using the distance formula.
Okay po, balik po natin, napahaba po yung nilagay natin. So, ito na po yung, kung napapansin niyo po, ibinalik ko po yung title page natin kasi ito na po yung pinaka last part at mag-end na po yung ating video. So, balikan po natin siya.
Formula. Get to know more about the lessons in distance between 2 points and its application in solving problems that involves distance between 2 points in our next video. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day.
Okay po. So, natapos po natin ngayon yung pag-edit ng ating video. So, ang pinakaano po dito, kailangan po, ang duration po, ang bawat discussion ay nakabase po doon sa discussion, doon sa video. So, ibig sabihin po, kung gaano po katagal mag-stay yung picture, ganun din po dapat yung nasa video. So, kayo na lang po ang bahalang mag-adjust. So, as ngayon po, natapos na po natin yung ating video. Ang gagawin po natin, isi-save na po natin ngayon ang ating video. So, kung napapansin nyo po, yung pinaka right corner po doon, sa upper right corner, i-click lang po natin yan. Okay po. And then, i-click po natin yung natapos nating video, and then, isi-save na po natin siya. So, kayo na po ang pipili kung ano po yung resolution na gusto niyo po. Pero mas maganda po, high quality video po ang ating video. So, save po natin siya into 1080p po. Ito na po yung actually 720p po is ideal na po para sa video presentation. Pero, itaasan po natin yung ating quality. So, isi-set po natin siya into 1080p and then we export. So, nag-i-start na po na mag-save po ang ating video. So, automatic po kapag natapos na po yan, nakasave na po sa ating cellphone. And it is ready to be uploaded po kung saan nyo po siya gustong makita ng ating mga estudyante. Pwede po natin i-upload sa ating mga Facebook account, sa FB pages po, or kung meron po kayong YouTube channel, pwede nyo rin pong i-upload doon ang video para mas marami po ang makapanood ng inyong video lesson.